as a tribute to Trish Sassy and the Rolly So Easy, you know. Hi guys, welcome to Skylife TV. I don't know your girl MELICASKYLIFE in the building, y'all. What them?
If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah.
I don't know. I'm just catching it down there, so I hope you guys are not vibrating too much. It's actually Sunday. I'm on the road, lockdown day. You don't know, farmer. You get to go out on the road. My bell is showing. So guys, I am approximately 18 weeks, and I want to just do this video as a tribute to Trish Sassy and the Rolly So Easy, you know. I've been watching their videos recently, Trish and I. To my estimation, like, we're probably the same amount of months, and I don't know, like, based off of everything that was said, it seems as if they had a miscarriage. She's very depressed, and Rolly is very frustrated, and I can understand, you know. That's one of the reasons why I chose not to announce my pregnancy at the same time, because I wanted to ensure that everything went well, or is going well, like with the baby and stuff like that. We can't take complications, you know. So I wanna say prayers up for Trish and Rolly. If it's a miscarriage, I know that it's something that, you know, you don't really get over that easily. But the good thing is, you know, I don't know if you don't get pregnant again. So look at it from a positive standpoint, that you're healthy and you can definitely try again. And, you know, if I say go, if that I happen, if not, just stay positive so you can be healthy for the baby and stuff like that. They have come out that we get. Punki installed it for me the other day, but the glue is lifting, so I'm gonna take it off. Yeah, so I'm 18 weeks, and I'm excited. I'm gonna see the baby tomorrow. Yes. No. So you look like you're not coming now. But you are sweating and going so. You see your boy? I'll mash up.
Mash up, put on.
Oh God. In him. So tropical rhythm. I always a drink him. All heap of vitamins tonight. Yeah, so I'm gonna see the baby gender tomorrow. We refer to the baby as a boy because a boy and father one. For me, it no matter girl or boy, must rate tay and tay. Like, I'm gonna love my baby regardless. Like, anything Judge God give me, that me forget, you know. So I'm not too fussy about the gender, but I think I'm gonna find out the gender and just have a baby shower after. Like, I don't do no gender reveal. Like, I don't know if how gender reveal work. Nobody now gonna come with me to get the information. Cause Mr. Rosa got work, and y'all know I have work too as well. A girl gotta get that moolah. So I don't know. I just wanna know, so I can start by the baby stuff them. Coming up, I don't buy no clothes or nothing. I don't buy no unisex. Nothing. I want to buy the right stuff. I'm gonna buy some stuff unisex, but I just want to know that, you know, everything I go well, and what type of gender I have and bathing. But I'm not gonna lie, Trish and Rolly video shake me up. Right. She shake me up bad, and I feel so sorry for her, and I just appreciate everything alright health-wise, you know. I don't come on here and talk about other people and then something, but because I watch her and I tell Mr. Rose, you know, say come like we get pregnant at the same time and stuff like that. But my people them always caution. My grandmother always say, Melica, you just get pregnant You know, past 3 months yet, don't tell nobody or whatever, just go on. Because you can up until 6 months, 7 months, you can still lose the baby. So just focus on your health. Be positive, do what you need to do, so you have a healthy baby. And stuff like that. I kind of worry because my tummy cramp me like 2 days now. Hurt me. I'm back. So, I want to go tomorrow to find out what is what. I was going to go yesterday, which was Saturday. But the guy never did it. I'm talking about, you know. Like this one. Original black. So, yeah. I got to go now. So, what I'll do is stop the vlog today here. I'll probably pick up tomorrow once I come from the doctor, or once I can record like go on the monitor and stuff, and then update upon that. For me, every time I used to go to the doctor every 2 weeks. Every time I went, I got an ultrasound to see, like, you know, make sure say baby good. But since the past 3 months now, them I do like every month I go in and stuff like that. So I don't know, you just have to just be very cautious and careful with this pregnancy thing. So tomorrow me couldn't know what I'm going. Hi guys, welcome to the vlog. Oh dear. I'm actually at the doctor's office. I'm gonna do my checkup, and today's the day that I'll know the gender. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do a gender reveal yet, but I can't decide. So I have to come and pass my urine each time you come to the doctor when you're pregnant. But my doctor, I have to like test my urine and stuff like that. So that I'm just don't do. So gender reveal day. If you're on the channel for the first time, please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, share with a friend, share the video. 18 weeks update. But if I look at it, I won't know.
What do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine.
Let's see a girl have an eyebrow. So I have the gender really and truly. Sure. But me not look funny. Look at the gender reveal.
You do that look funny?
Me not look funny. No, she write it down. Even though probably me can't make out it. She wrote it down. So, oh, you see, I'll get something for you. Come here, I'll get. I'll get burger.
She's there.
Burger King. So, I have the gender. But she said really and truly, she wanna ask me if I want to wait until me do the next ultrasound on my place to be sure. And I said no, I want you to do it. Wait no, I said I want you to do it. So guys, you see when she touch my belly now, it's like me I feel like me I feel him. I can feel him now. And I see foot them clear upon it something. Come through the car, lady. A big driver, you know.
Chef your skin up. Getting all teeth them.
So guys, I actually have the gender in my possession, but I did not look at it. I had the gender reveal. So I say, ah God.
Where is that document?
So then keep one little party, but we not keep no party or so. And so then we have like balloon or so. Then we have pink and then we have blue. You know, pink a girl, blue a boy. Maybe me poppy two of them at the same time.
I can get it something on my light and then we put it up in our ear so.
What you
I don't really actually want.
Mommy just have make that mama that time.
Like they
Even one
kind of
night,
surprise
one night,
you.
That look good.
Me know say one little girl.
Anyways,
Mama, you don't know.
I got.
Yesterday you preach, you tell me say a boy. You chop down a girl
Only
already.
belly round.
You know, see my belly round. So
A
guys,
boy got this.
A boy.
so guys,
But again, me they look for.
me not tell a lie. When me give him Spanish ultrasound, come me kind of look funny. He look like a boy, but then me turn on my head, come so me no want really see. So guys, I didn't get to come back with you guys today. Look at my face, chubby. No sir.
Little wish.
So guys, sorry for the quality. It's dark now, and
I'm here for
inside.
guy, the baby.
No, me I talk to you vlog. Me I gonna start upload now. You know, some people are messaging me. Melica, I'm not seeing you uploading. Yeah, guys, I did mash up for a while, but I was recording, so I'm gonna start uploading.
You mash up, mash up.
Create some thumbnails and stuff.
already?
Stephanie, what you want in my video?
Melica, me and sit down, go get it fun.
I got. Where you want to sit down? Oh,
Bear,
there.
bear.
So
What's up? I just say here go.
I got the gender. I got the gender today on.
Peace.
Wow. Mama.
You say guys, wicked, you see?
Mama, when you say just come out iPad.
So I got the gender today.
But when they're almost done it.
You talk about the line on you.
Oh.
I got the gender today. So I will give it to Stephanie. Me feel like stop myself from look funny and stuff like that. So they got the gender reveal stuff. So they say family only.
Oh, okay.
So I don't never know by now a weekend you gonna do it.
Mister, you have no friends, so I'm happy for me.
Hey God.
Yeah, I'm no friends.
So today I go and chillax. From do the ultrasound today, it's like my belly just a push out of my body like.
Mister, it's a 9
You
illegal.
black belly, no, you tap this a rose. I tell you, Mr. Rose at top.
So guys, I'll check back in with you guys. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, share with a friend, share the video guys. Peace out. So guys, I am about to give Stephanie the paper for the gender. They're gonna make you look funny. I'm gonna read your facial reaction. Yeah? I wonder what I'm putting now, Jesus. In the mirror.
They're not putting all the kinds of over.
I want to lick something. I don't know what they should put this something on. If that's appropriate. I told paper in a 7 is a man, it flick out. Watch out, Jesus Christ! It come like me know. Oh, God. Oh. Mine attorney part to me, no, Stephanie. With the little clumsy self, you know. Stephanie, you open?
Yes, Melica.
Why you see girl or boy?
Yeah,
Hi guys, welcome to the vlog. Here's Charlie. I am actually at a store now. I am trying to shop for some clothes because my clothes don't fit anymore and I have to have good fitting clothes. So I'm trying to get some stuff now. I'll probably do a try and a haul for you when I actually get this stuff and I try them on and so I'll see how that work out because your girl is so huge. I don't want to turn around the camera and show you my belly, like seriously. You can see it from my face. But before you go any further, please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, turn on your notification bell, leave a comment in the comment section box below. Tell me how to deal with that situation. Should I buy a lot of stuff or don't buy so much stuff because I'm not going to be pregnant forever?